Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, this video is going to give you specific instructions. This video is really designed for my friends that maybe need to hear the instructions more than once, or for those that did not attend our Zoom link for whatever reason. And I am trying to give you the instructions in a video format so that you are not confused. What this video contains is exactly what our class in our Zooms will be receiving as well. So let's get started. First of all, our assignment today is you're going to be analyzing the elements found in all the different Earth spheres. Okay, so we're going to have our attendance question, which everybody should be doing no matter what. Then you're going to watch this video on how to copy and paste your notes into your science digital notebook. You need to copy two things. Number one, you need to copy your vocab words from last week. There's 3 of them total. Number 2, you're going to copy your notes from your elements that we did last week on Wednesday. This video on number 2 will tell you exactly how to do that. You need to watch it. Pause it if you need to in the middle, press play as you go forward, or rewind if you need to hear it again. Okay? If you did not copy and download your Science Digital Notebook last week, you need to go back into Monday's assignment and do that. The third thing that you're going to need to accomplish for class today is watch this video on the different spheres of the Earth. We have 4. We have the atmosphere, which is the air that we breathe. We have the biosphere. The biosphere is where we live. That's the living thing. So it's humans, animals, trees, plants, etc. We have the lithosphere, also referred to in this video as the geosphere. That is the solid ground that we are walking on or standing or we mine. And then the last one that we have is the hydrosphere. Hydro stands for water, which is why we say you need to hydrate. You need to put water in your body. Okay? The hydrosphere refers to lakes, rivers, oceans, and seas. Not the animals that live in those things, just the water itself. Okay? So this video is going to break it down in detail for you. The next assignment that you're going to have is you're going to analyze the different elements within Earth's spheres. Because if I go back up to our slides from last week, I only have 94 that occur naturally within all the spheres of Earth. 24 of them are man-made by scientists in the lab. But I am not going to find 94 different elements equally distributed throughout the 4 spheres. So what you're going to do is you're going to analyze those elements using charts. Okay, so I'm going to provide you with 4 different charts. The first one shows me a pie chart of the elements in the geosphere. Remember, that's the ground we walk on. Then in the ocean, known as the hydrosphere. On the next slide, it's going to show me the percentage of elements in the biosphere. And the last one is in the atmosphere. As you can see, each of these pie charts are vastly different. They also have a different number of elements in them and a different percentage. So the geosphere has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements that are predominantly found. Okay, we have other ones too, but they're so minimal compared to the amount of these 8 have that we can't even classify them and put them on this pie chart. The elements in the ocean only have 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, they may have some that are similar and some that are different. Within the biosphere, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in the atmosphere, we have 1, 2, and 3. What you are going to do is you're going to complete the remaining 4 slides in this lab. Let's pull it up. Okay, for each pie chart, there's going to be a column. And because of the virtual learning platform that we are on, it's going to be broken up into 2 slides. Okay. So it's going to say geosphere. So you're going to look on your pie chart for geosphere, and you're going to identify all of the elements that are in there. So for example, aluminum. First of all, I need to write down what my aluminum symbol is. So that would be AL. Oh, lowercase l. Remember, second one's a lowercase. And I'm going to look, is it in the geosphere? Nope, 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 nope. Yes. Aluminum is found in the geosphere, and it's the color peach. So I'm going to go over to peach where it says aluminum, and it's 8%. So I'm going to come back to my chart, and I'm going to type in 8%. Then I'm going to go to the biosphere. And I don't know why they're put in this order. I did not create this. I do not have aluminum in the biosphere, so I'm just going to do an X. I'm going to go into the hydrosphere. Oh, no aluminum in the hydrosphere and in the atmosphere. So I don't have it in either one of these. So I'm going to do X and X. Okay, so aluminum is primarily found in the geosphere. Then I'm going to do that with the next one. Some of them, you may not see them in any of the spheres. Some of them may be one. Some of them may have more than one. But you're going to have to flip back and forth between the periodic table to get the symbol and the 2 slides with the pie charts to put the information in correctly. Now on slide 8, where it says solid earth, it still says lithosphere, but on slide 7 it says geosphere. That's the same chart. Do not let that confuse you, okay? It's the same chart, solid earth, same chart. And then you need to answer the questions on the following 2 slides to analyze your learning. Now, on these slides, I am providing you with a sentence stem. A sentence stem is the beginning of a sentence to help you write a clear, detailed answer. Okay, so do not read the question and just type in 3 words. You must use the sentence stem. So for example, which element is most abundant in the Earth's solid surface? So if I come up to the Earth's solid surface, which is the geosphere, which element do I see the most of? So I'm going to look for my biggest one, and it's oxygen. I'm going to come back. I'm going to use the sentence stem. I think the most abundant element is oxygen because oxygen makes up 47% of the total number of elements. And I have a little typo there. And that's it. That's all you're doing. This is our lab for analyzing the Earth's elements and our instructions for Wednesday. Okay. If you have any questions, please email me or contact me through the Schoology messaging board, or show up for our Zoom for our class, and you can come back in if the class period is still going. Other than that, good job, good luck. You guys will do great, and we will reconvene and finish this tomorrow, which is Thursday. It is not homework if you do not finish. We are going to take class time on Thursday to complete this as well.